Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I wanted to do a video about the trend that was trending a while ago, but I'm new to YouTube, so I decided to do it now. I'm going to do my own version of the clean girl look. These are some of the products I've decided to do the clean girl look with. I'm starting off with the Bareminerals. This particular look is not really one that I ever really do unless I don't really know what the circumstances would be exactly. Maybe just like an easy day of running around town, or I'm not really sure because I usually take my time to do my makeup a little bit beyond just the clean girl look. I do like basically soft glam most of the time, but I'm going to try to see if I can get that clean, soft face that's like glowy with kind of minimal products, but not really. There's still plenty of products that I'm using, so I just went in with that Bareminerals Complexion Rescue. So for the clean girl look, I would keep the base pretty light coverage, but for the under eye, I have to have coverage. Like, I'm not about to run around town with dark circles under my eyes. That is not part of any clean life. And I'm going to just going to tap in the concealer. The concealer I'm using is pretty bright. It's the Charlotte Tilbury, this little sample here, the Radiant Concealer. Yeah, just for a little bit more coverage would be nice. For that sort of no makeup look, I would still have makeup on, just maybe lighter versions of what I normally would, is the way that I would interpret this look. To add a little bit more glow, I'm going in with a cream highlight, just so it's not detectable. I'm adding a bit of glow to the cheeks, nose, just everywhere. I will set the face with this Laura Mercier powder. I'm going to set the under eyes here, just so it's not so shiny, because I want the concealer to look like it's doing something instead of showing all my shadows. And for bronzer, I'm going in with this Makeup by Mario bronzer because it's the most like undetectable on the face. So I'm just going to add a nice wash of it. See, that makes a huge difference. It's like with and without shape. A little bit of something not too crazy. For my blush, I'm going in with a Mario blush as well. This is the Barely Blushing, just to get a little bit of pink back in face. I'm going in with the lightest lip liner, which is Fawn by Lisa Eldridge. Even on a no makeup look, I would still use lip liner just because you need definition for the lips. I mean, I do. So I would, and then I'm just going over with like a nude gloss. And this one by Lisa Eldridge is so pretty. It's just a very delicate, soft pink, and it's called Songbird. You can either do a lip balm or a gloss, and I usually like a little bit of pigment to my lips because my lips, the color kind of disappears. So I'd rather go with a gloss if it was me. Eyebrows, I would just use like a clear, well, this is not a clear, this is a tinted gel, brow gel. I'm using the Kosas brow gel in the shade dark brown. So I just kind of brush them. And kind of lay them down, brush them to the direction you want them to go. This is a really nice, easy to use, no scent, really nice product. Kind of brush them and leave them there. It's like brushing your hair, makes a lot of difference. For lids, I always have some sort of color on the lid, so I would go in with a paint pot for myself just to have a little bit of dimension. Otherwise, they just look a little bit too flat. So this paint pot in Groundwork by MAC is so nice because it just adds a little bit of depth. See that? It's like a huge difference. Most people already have kind of that shadowed lid, but since I don't usually typically go for colors on the eyes that are lighter because it just makes my face appear a little bit too flat. So it just depends on what your goal is for your makeup look. And I really love these paint pots. They're undetectable for sure. It just dries down, it sets, doesn't move around, and it does what you want it to do. And it's kind of definitely a reliable product for me. And I was thinking about doing a little bit of this e.l.f. Copper Chick for under the eyes, just for a little bit more definition. So it's not really adding very much more color there. Just a little something subtle. And I will curl my lashes now and go in with mascara. This is the Shiseido Lash Curler. It works really well on flatter eye shapes. And I'm just gonna use the last product, same mascara I've been using. This is just a really natural looking mascara that's buildable and it doesn't look overdone. I know some face types can get away with no mascara, but yeah, definitely not me. Not me. Maybe if you have like defined lashes, they're like darker or whatnot, or bigger eyes or whatever, different. I don't know what the reasoning is, but it's like when I'm not wearing mascara, I look like the queen in Narnia. I'd rather not. And that is pretty much my look for the clean girl makeup. It's just the barely there, you're put together, you're cleaned up, and you're ready to start the day and do whatever you need to do. And you're glowing, you're moisturized. If you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video and join me for my next videos. If you guys have ideas, please recommend them and I will see what I can do about incorporating them. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye.